you so much, Brandon. We're about to go meet Brandon Semenuk. He's just right over here. What's up, Brandon? I'm a huge fan, man. I'm Josh. Nice to meet you. Love the launch control series.
Yeah, those guys kill it. Where are you from?
I'm from Washington.
Drove up?
Yeah, we drove up.
Drove down, I guess. But yeah.
Thank you so much, man.
Absolutely.
It's so cool to have the SF42 on display again, same as last year. Got the timing chain, camshaft, all that stuff, pistons, intake manifold. I didn't notice that last time. Crankshaft.
That takes time. Training is a week.
This is cool. Look at all the carbon feather stuff they've got. Their wheels and their all-con brakes, everything from the rally car. You've got your rally suspension, rear subframes, external reservoir. I don't know how this worked out, but this lady randomly came up to me, and I'm going to be going for a ride along with Brandon in the car here in just a few minutes. A group of 12 lucky people going for a ride along. I'm so shocked right now. This is doesn't feel real. It's me rocking a S209 STI. Yeah, I can't wait to do that turn.
This thing will be fun on the real track. But
It's going to be awesome.
Yeah. It's full on.
Wow. Thank you so much, Brandon.
Yeah, dude.
You're hooking me up. This is some great content. Woo! Dude, that was awesome, man. Thank you so much.
Yeah, dude.
Appreciate it. There's Bucky Elastic over there. All right, this is everybody that was for a ride along. Everybody say hi. It was awesome, wasn't it? So guys, this was number 9 of 12. I was lucky enough, I was just over there getting a poster signed by Brandon, and the lady came up to us and asked, hey, do you have somebody to watch your daughter? I said yes. They gave us one of these lanyards to go for a ride with Brandon. It was freaking awesome. I never in a million years would have thought that that would have happened today. And I'm on like cloud 9 right now. It's freaking awesome. I hope you guys enjoy the footage of that. It's so crazy to me because I watched the Subaru YouTube channel, the launch control series. So I've been watching Brandon for the last several years drive his rally car and do all this crazy stuff. And to have the opportunity to go for a ride along, to me, it's just really a dream come true. And I'm so thankful to Subaru Motorsports USA for even doing something like this. How cool of a company are they that they still go out and they do this type of stuff with their customers and their fan base. And it was just the best day. So thank you to everybody involved, Big Northwest, Subaru, and Brandon Semenuk.
Yeah, that's what we're gonna do afterwards too.
Did you say Subaru?
Subaru!
Did you say Mitsubishi?
Mitsubishi, that's part of my family.
It's like Simon said.
Yeah, bro. It's part of my family, so.
Alright, it's my turn to see what I can do. Well, that's going to wrap up today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching to the end. If you made it all the way to the end, leave me a hashtag family, and I will be back with tons more content from the event. I'll see you guys on the next video.